Oh boy. You ever looked at the refrigerator and realized it was time to get something to eat? Well, there's not too much in the fridge. So what do? Today's video is all about grocery shopping when you're on a tight budget. So if that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned. First things first, when you are on a tight budget, you have to do inventory on your existing pantry items. From the refrigerator, whatever you do have in there, to the freezer, whatever you do have in there, and your pantry as well. I readily keep rice and beans and diced tomatoes, so there's always a capability to make a soup of some sort. I just saw that there is some spinach in here, so I'm going to work with that. And then next, I would suggest that you pull out your ads for your whatever store you're going to go to. We're going to go to Aldi, and I saw that they had mushrooms on sale. So I was able to write down, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things that I don't need too much, but that I have pretty much everything for here. Pulled mushrooms, like pulled pork, with coleslaw and fries, but I need fries. And then a skillet with sweet potatoes, tofu, and greens, and I have everything for that. Italian white bean with kale, and that's downstairs. And then 2 other things that are downstairs. So I just need to think of 2 more things. And I'm thinking with the spinach, I can make the spinach and artichoke pasta, which is kind of like your spinach and artichoke dip, but I just put it in pasta. It's really yummy. So I need penne noodles. So I'm just writing myself a list. And then something with mushrooms. I haven't made this in a while, but it actually sounds really good. Mushroom fajitas. And so I'm gonna need peppers for that. And I know I have taco or tortilla shells. So I'm gonna need peppers for that, and I might need avocado. But I have a little avocado. So I'm not just cooking just dinner. So I have to think about breakfast and lunch as well. I saw I had frozen burgers in there, and I can always make a lentil soup, and I have frozen broccoli in there, so I can make broccoli and cheese soup, quiche, oatmeal, avocado toast. I have hash browns, so I have to make hash brown burritos. So I think I'm pretty much ready. I have a few items that I know I need, and I'm gonna try to stay under $40 with maybe just grabbing a few extra things like little staples like some beans and some diced veggies and those sorts of things. And I think I need some oat milk as well. So, all right, let's go to the store. And we're back from the store. And I love it when you can come out of the store with a big old bag of groceries and only spend $19.10 with tax, buddy. You can't see this receipt, but I'm telling you, $19.10. I impressed myself so much so that I was like, that never happens. Let's relish in the fact that I'd spent under $20 at Aldi. Okay. I'll just show you what I got before I put it up. Pasta, mushrooms, oat milk, because they sell oat milk. Wait, hold on. Because they sell, oh yeah, it's the same one. They sell oat milk now, which is incredible. Some bananas, because gotta have bananas, but I wish there was like, look how tiny these are. Anyways, not a time for an opinion. Strawberries for my oatmeal. Peppers for my fajitas, as well as my breakfast scrambles. Potatoes, fries, avocados. They need to go in a brown bag because they're hard. More baby bellas. Beets for another recipe I'm making. Or I guess it's more of a snack. And y'all should have seen how excited I got when I saw these blessed chickpeas. I was like, yes, the chickpeas. Why are they here? I don't know. But we found them. Okay. So everything here, not a super grand haul, but you know, you can walk out of other places and buy 2 or 3 things and spend $20 and just be ticked. So I'm glad we got a lot of this stuff, little knickknacks to help me complete my meals for this week. And so now I'm just gonna get cooking. So thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for some of the recipe, for some of the meals that I make. I'll just show some pictures of some of the meals that I made this week. All right, thanks for watching. Peace. So here you see my fries here I had a pulled oyster mushroom sandwich, as well as some scallops. And I have a recipe for those scallops, so you can check that video out. This is also a snack I made recently for my eggplant steak. So I just went ahead and used the beets to create that again. So you can check that out as well. And lastly, I didn't use the spinach as I said I would. I used it for a mushroom risotto. It was so delicious. See you guys next time.